Guys, check this out. Today I'm going to introduce another car to you all, powered by a WP6 engine with 155 kilowatts of power output and 750 Nm torque, and 4 time to drive. It delivers smooth and stable performance on any roads with a 7.3 meter overall length, boasting 18 ton total load capacity. It's more than enough for heavy-duty tasks. Max speed reach 85 km/h and 60% slopes effortlessly. The 300L large fuel tank means reliable high capacity and built to last. If you want to know more about EQ1120GA, welcome to Consult Yunnan Motor Automobile.